Today we will learn 3 single right turn salsa combinations for beginners. Combo number 1. We'll start with a basic step in the closed position, then another basic, transitioning into the open position, sliding your hands. Now another basic and leading a single right turn with the right. Raise, 2, 3, and lead on 5, 6, 7. Now with the music. Yes, turn around, close position, 1 basic, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Now let's transition to an open position with the basic. Slide your hands, palms up, connecting only with the fingers, and basic and single right turn. Raise, 2, 3, elbow out and lead on 5, 6, 7. Basic. Transition into a closed position, and another basic. Transitioning into an open position. Change the grip, slide your hands, palms up, fingers to fingers. Now basic, single right turn with the right. Raise, 2, 3, elbow out and turn on 5, 6, 7. Basic, close position again. And let's do another basic. Transition again to an open position, slide your hands. Another basic and single right turn with the right. Raise, 2, 3, and lead on 5. Now full speed, 1 basic, let's go. 1, close position. Another basic, open position. And now basic, single right turn. Turn and basic, close position again. Another basic, open position and single right turn. Basic, raise, turn, basic, close position. Another basic, open position and single right turn. Raise, 2, 3, lead, 6, 7. Combo number 2. We will start with a basic step, leading the single right turn with the left. Raise, 2, 3, and lead on 5. Now we'll change to right and we'll do the back basic. Again, single right turn. Now elbow out, over the head, and down. And now with the music, 1 basic, parallel hold. And then another basic and the single right turn, leading with your left. Raise your hand, 2, 3, and lead on 5, 6, 7. Our back basic, change to right and single right turn. 5, 6, 7. Basic. Change again, parallel hold, and let's do it again. Another basic and single right turn with the left. Raise your left, 2, 3, and lead on 5, 6, 7. Back basic. And change hands right and single right turn. 5, 6, 7. Basic. Again, parallel hold. Last time slow, let's go. A basic and single right turn. Raise your left, 2, 3. Lead on 5, 6, 7. Now back basic. Change your hands right, single right turn, and now full speed, 1 basic, let's go. 1, change your hands, another basic, and single right turn. Back basic, change your hands, single right turn, basic. Parallel hold. Again, basic, single right turn with the left, 2, 3. And back basic, change your hand, single right turn. Basic. Parallel hold and single right turn. Basic. Raise and turn. Back basic. Change your hand, single right turn. Basic. Combo number 3. We'll start with the basic step, leading single right turn left to left, raising on 2, 3, over the head and down. Basic, now asking for the right hand on top, and a back basic, leading the single right turn with both hands. Right elbow out and leading with both hands over the hand and down. And now with the music. One basic, 1, 2, 3, left to left, and another basic, leading single right turn. Raise, 2, 3, fingers to fingers, over the head, and basic. As for the right hand, make sure palms is up. Now back basic, and single right turn again, let's go. Back, raise, 3, elbow out, and 5, 6, 7, basic. Single right turn only with the left. Now, 5, 6, 7, basic. Now ask for the right hand on top, palms facing up, back basic and single right turn. Back, 2, 3, elbow out, full speed, 1 basic. Let's go. 1, change the grip left to left and single right turn. Over the head, now basic, as for the right hand, back basic and single right turn, both hands. Basic, single right turn with the left. 5, 6, 7, basic, as for the right hand, back basic. Single right turn, both hands. And thank you very much for joining us.